Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious okra soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh okra, your choice of protein like beef or fish, and essential vegetables such as onions, peppers, and tomatoes. Wash and cut your protein into bite-sized pieces, then chop your aromatics. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and a flavorful foundation for your soup. Now, let's build our flavor base. Start by seasoning your protein with salt, stock cubes, and any other spices you prefer, then boil it until it's tender. In a separate pot, heat about 100 milliliters of palm oil and sauté your chopped onions and peppers until they are fragrant and translucent. Next, add your blended tomatoes and pepper mixture, allowing it to cook down for about 10 to 15 minutes to deepen the flavors. With our rich base ready, it's time for the star ingredient, the okra. Wash your 500 grams of fresh okra thoroughly, then finely chop or grate it. Add the prepared okra directly into your simmering soup base, stirring gently to combine all the ingredients. Let the soup simmer for about 10 minutes on medium heat. This short cooking time helps the okra retain its vibrant color and characteristic texture, preventing it from becoming overcooked. Almost there. For the finishing touches, you can stir in any additional vegetables like spinach or ugu leaves for extra nutrients and flavor. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding a pinch more salt or a dash of your favorite spices to perfect the taste. Once satisfied, your delicious okra soup is ready to be served. Enjoy it hot with a side of pounded yam, eba, or fufu for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.